Hi everyone, this is Ms. Hartman and I am here to walk you through the explanation section of your short answer response. Now Mrs. Gruen has completed the answer and the evidence statement, and so I'm going to come in here and piggyback off of what she has filled out, and I'm going to explain how this evidence supports my answer. So why did I choose this quote? What makes this the best evidence for my answer? So there's a couple of things I want to go over first. First, we need to understand that when we're explaining how that evidence supports our answer, we're going beyond just restating what's happening in the story at that point. We're going beyond just paraphrasing the quote that we just wrote down. We have to explain how we know our character is patient because of what's happening in the story. So to do that, I want to think about, since we're talking about character traits, I want to think about maybe how Dad has been acting up until this point. And the reason I want to think about that is because his actions at the beginning of the story make this character trait, his patience, it's kind of a shock to us. We weren't really expecting Dad to have the kind of patience that he has because he's very short with his family, because he grunts a lot in response to his family, or he just kind of waves them off and doesn't really show any interest in having a conversation with his family. So I'm going to mention that in my explanation. I'm going to say, Dad is normally very short with his family, and we see his patience shine through here since he never got frustrated with Chris, no matter how many times his son missed the backboard. So notice I'm still bringing up what's happening in the story, but that's not all I'm bringing up. I'm explaining how what's happening in the story right now, it shows that Dad is being patient. So now what I'm going to do is I'm ready to add this section to my short answer response, which is my paragraph. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it right here after my evidence statement. Now I'm going to change this just a little bit so that we can tell the difference between the three sections. So this is my answer. This is my short answer response, and this is what your paragraph will look like too. You'll start off by answering the question. One of Dad's central character traits is his patience. We see, and then our text evidence statement, we see how the character is patient when the text states, I was too nervous to even hit the backboard half the time, but Dad didn't get mad or anything. And then finally, our explanation or our analysis. Dad is normally very short with his family, and we see his patience shine through here since he never got frustrated with Chris, no matter how many times his son missed the backboard. So notice how all three of these parts come together and we have sufficiently answered our prompt. We have our answer, we have our evidence statement, and finally we have our explanation.